Hello there, you wonderful person. I am Gareth Mason. It is Saturday, 2:42 p.m. Um, June the 7th. Yeah, I got it. I got the month and day format. Yesterday was a short one, huh? I forgot to record. Like, I was gonna say goodnight to my girlfriend, and then I remembered that I hadn't recorded the video yet. So, what happened since last night? So, symptoms wise, I think I'm good. It's just coughing now, extreme coughing. Yeah, very like waking up with a coughing fit in the middle of the night. Yeah, it's terrible. It's absolutely terrible. Very uncomfortable, but you know, my voice is starting to get back to normal, which is very nice. My throat is not that bad. Like, I gotta be careful when I'm coughing. I can't full send it. Otherwise I'll hurt my throat. I talked to GPT. It recommended honey lemon tea to make it better. Oh man, it's like a little devil is in the back of my throat with a little feather doing like this on my throat. It's just, I went to the barber, as you can see. I went to the barber to, to have lunch. No. To get a haircut and my beard as well. And that was torture, man. Because I, holding in the cough. Because, hey, I don't want the guy to make a mistake on my hair or beard. That would be a tragedy. So yeah, morning I just watched a bunch of videos. I started playing Witcher, but I don't know, there's something about the Witcher combat that is just off-putting for me, And then there's a video where a guy shits on Dark Souls 2, deservingly, in my opinion, and that really made me want to play Souls games. So I downloaded Elden Ring, and I think that's what I'm gonna be playing. Yeah, I never really did a full playthrough without streaming, so that's gonna be nice. I hope. So I'm excited about that. Oh, we got help. A young lady. A young lady came over today to help us with cleaning the house. Well, honestly, help my mother because I'm just on the resting mode, recovering from the flu. I'm supposed to be resting as much as possible, so there you go. Is that an excuse so that I didn't have to help clean? Maybe. To be brutally honest, yeah, probably. should help. But then I also feel like if I rest more, I'll get better faster. And I want to get better. I want to get better faster. I'm gonna turn here. Yeah. So that was my morning. Went to the barber. Started to watch Lobos Jr.'s first playthrough of Elden Ring again, because I want to get hyped to play it myself. And I went to a place to buy an object that is gonna change my life. And I'm not gonna say much more. I will talk about it at length tomorrow, on tomorrow's vlog. Today I'm just gonna have to keep you guessing. Yeah. But it's something good. It's something exciting. Yeah, and I'm excited about it. Anyways, I'm also excited to play Elden Ring. And my girlfriend is gonna go out with her mother and her sister and her aunt tonight, because it was her mother's birthday. So I have the afternoon and the evening, and then we're gonna go to her place. Yeah, and that's the plan. Yeah, this week was terrible. My vlogs were probably the worst they've ever been this week, because of, you know, how I was feeling, and my social muscle is very, very rusted. Like I feel like when I don't socialize with people for a long time like this, I get rusted and I don't really know what to say, and it's weird. It's weird. So that that contributes to the quality or lack of quality of my vlogs. But it's real life, baby. It's real life. It's not all roses and, what's the idiom? Flowers and roses. Yeah. Real life has these more annoying aspects of it. You know, getting sick, man. Getting sick is probably the worst thing ever. Worst thing. And it's like I'm very thankful, because I know I'm gonna get better. You know, I am getting better already. But there are people that just are sick, and they're always gonna be sick forever. And this forever might not be that long because of the sickness. So that's terrible, man. I'm very thankful that I'm a healthy man. Yeah. And I need to take better care of my health because of that. And I think the number one thing that I'm lacking the most is not exercise. I know I've talked about exercise in the vlogs before. And no, I haven't started, especially now that I got sick. But I'm walking right now. At my job, I'm mostly standing all the time and walking around. And So there's a lot of movement. So it's like, no, I don't exercise, but I'm active. Number one thing that I'm lacking on my health is keeping a clean environment. I haven't been good about that, especially after the rat incident, which is still a problem. Yeah, I haven't talked much about it lately, but just the smell was in the whole house of rat piss and shit. It was absolutely terrible. Felt absolutely disgusted about being there. And now it's not the case anymore. For the most part, because it was cleaned. But apparently the lady is coming back. Hopefully she is coming back on Monday. So to finish things off. And yeah, I'm gonna try my best. No. That's not how you say it. I am going to keep it clean. Yeah. As long as there's no rat anymore. We bought poison and there's poison all over the house now. So hopefully the little motherfucker dies as quickly as possible. So that's not gonna be a problem anymore. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today, people. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a big one. Tomorrow's gonna be a historical vlog. Yeah. That's it. Thanks everybody for watching. I have been Gareth Mason, and I'll see you the next time I see you. Bye-bye.